Okay, where were we? This is my third video. One second. Other people in the house making noises while I'm trying to record. Yes, if you remember in the last two videos we made a runway. This based on the runway at Robin Hood Airport, and we transferred it to Flight Sim where it is currently, but it's at the same height as the scenery. Oops, I hope that didn't bang too much, I just knocked the microphone. So what we're going to do now is we need to, you see, as the scenery goes up and down around the runway, you know, parts of the runway are under the grass and other parts are stuck up in the air, so we need to flatten everything out, and we're going to do that in Airport Design Editor, which has been the main program I've been using so far. And just load it back in, go to File, use some files and bring it back in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a flatter area, and I'm actually going to make it all the way around the entire airport, yeah, so that covers the entire airport. Now this add polygon, this one is the one that we need for this, and we simply just go around everything roughly. Doesn't have to be exact. Just round. Everything. Simple. This might be the shortest video. Right, double click there, and there we have the whole lot. Now this is our, if you see on the properties, it's flatten. Yeah, so this is a flat area. Right, and it's, I'm just going to move to back, so I'm going to put that underneath everything else. And I still want to be able to see my, oops, I still want to see my, just click that, I still want to see my picture here, so I'm going to bring that forward, move forward. And what this is just lifting it up in the layers area, so it becomes, appears again. Now we still have, you see, we still have the flatten area behind it, and we have the picture, so I can still do work on the airport. Right, so that's it really. Let's save that. Right, I'm going to compile that, as we've done so many times so far. So that's gone back to Flight Sim, and now let's take a look in Flight Sim and see how it's turned out. I'm going to move around in slew mode once we're there. Change. Okay. Right. Now let's take a look. Oh. That's nice and flat. You see our flat area was the same height as the runway, so it's fine. We're going to go in slew mode, which you press Y, and then you can whiz up and down. Now I just want to see, I don't think we actually, oops, Yeah, see, the runway stays flat to the grass. Now, our next problem, I can see we've got some houses there. And what's this? We've got some trees. Yeah? We've got some trees on the runway. Yeah, so some of the default scenery. Oops. I got... That's a bit sharp, is that? So yeah, we've got some trees in the runway, which is our next job to get rid of, so that'll be on the next video. But you see, for now we have a nice flat area. Let's see if I can take off. Let's see if I can take off and just have a quick fly around. Oh, if I'm gonna hit a tree. Probably easier from inside the cockpit. Oh, so there we have what's going to be. There we have what's going to be the runway at Doncaster Airport. Something else we're going to have to remove is we've got an automatically generated road. I don't think this road actually exists. It's an automatically generated one, but it's got telegraph poles on it. So that's something else we're going to have to get rid of. Yeah, that takes a different program to do that. So our next job, that's it for this video. Our next job is going to be remove the trees. Right. Thank you very much.